In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a location in Google Earth Pro. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply by going here to the top left and extending this search bar and then clicking inside the search box. Now, here you can go and basically search for whatever. So we can just type in like an address, you can type in a city, state, or country name, zip code, landmark, whatever. So over here, I'm going to type in, for example, London. And as you can see here, there we go. I can just click on it and click on search. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to take you directly there. So it's going to fly all over the globe directly to that specific location. Okay. So of course you can search for whatever, or you could also search using latitude and longitude coordinates. And yeah, you can use them in degrees, minutes, and seconds, or you could go and use them in decimal degrees. For example, I'm going to type in something random over here like this, and I'm going to click on search, and there we go. It's going to take me directly over there. Okay. So those are the options you have. That's how to basically do this. That's how to find a location. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.